Hello trader, welcome back to Deep Pockets Forex. We'll be giving you a weekly view on the Forex market. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to comment on the comment section. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button to get our weekly updates. Without any further ado, let's get started. Euro USD. We've been following Euro USD step by step. Past 2 weeks, we focused at an up move from this level. We see that we're expecting a big up move. Then we moved from this level all the way until this level. This was around 140 pips. And then as the setup was around this level, this past week, we focused at a corrective structure here, then one more up. This was the up move. Then we see that after this up move, we're expecting a down move. As you can see, this is what we got. We moved from here until this level. This next week, we're expecting a corrective structure here, then more down until this level here, more down. If you have not entered the setup from here, just ignore this and then wait for the completion of the structure, then wait to buy from this level here, all the way until this level here. That's for Euro USD. If you did not enter here, just wait and then enter here for a buy. If you entered here, make sure you shift your stop loss to break even so that you run a risk-free trade. As this one unfolds, you are free, and then if it decides to go against you, you can be taken out with break even. That's for Euro USD. This is EuroCAD. EuroCAD. EuroCAD, we've been following it week by week. This down move was forecasted, then this correction, we expected it. Then after this correction, we got an impulse down. And then this impulse down too was forecasted. Then this past week, we forecasted a corrective structure here. Then after this corrective structure, we said we're expecting a down move until this level. Then from this level, for EuroCAD, we'll be looking forward for an up move until this level. When we get this down move, we'll be looking forward to taking this up move here. We will not trade the down move, but we will wait to get the up move. If we get our opportunity to trade it up, we'll be entering this buy here for EuroCAD. EuroJPY. EuroJPY, the red lines, they show the forecasted movements. We also forecasted this down move to reach this level, but instead it's just moving like that. This next week, we're expecting an impulse up. From here, we're expecting an impulse up. There's a chance that we could get a down move here, a down move, then impulse up. If we get our entry opportunity anywhere around this level here, whether from here or from here, we'll be going up with this position. We'll be trading it all the way until this level here. If you get an entry and your strategy gives you an opportunity to enter either from here or from here, you can go for EuroJPY. AUDCAD. For AUDCAD, we're expecting a movement from this level here. We're expecting a movement from this level to move all the way down, and the movement is expected to be 750 pips from here all the way until this level. We're expecting a movement to move all the way until this level for AUDCAD. If you get an entry opportunity anywhere around this level or this level, you can go for the movement. If your strategy gives you an entry, you can sell the setup all the way until this level. That's for AUDCAD. GBPUSD. For GBPUSD, this movement here was forecasted. This movement here was forecasted to move all the way up, and the market cannot just move sharp like that. So we moved sharp here. Then this is just the resting period, a corrective structure. We're expecting to get one more up here, then one more down to this level. If you missed the initial move here, you can wait for this down move here, then go with the up move until this level. That's for EuroJPY. If you missed this, just wait for this up move here. But if you entered from this level, you can make sure that you shift your stop loss to break even, so that when we get this down move, you're not taken out with a loss. And then wait for this movement, then buy it all the way until this level. If you get an entry strategy, you can go with the buy from here. We are not looking forward to selling this down. We are not looking forward to buying this down. And this down move, we're not looking forward to selling this down move. Just wait for this up move here, then you can go with it until this level. That's for GBPUSD. USDCHF. USDCHF, a down move was forecasted from this level. We're expecting a down move to move like this all the way until this level. For USDCHF, a down move like this was expected, but instead we're just moving down like that correctively. So from here we're expecting a movement like this, then like this. If you sold from this level, make sure you shift your stop loss to break even to run a risk-free trade, or you can exit with profits here, or you can wait for this down move. It totally depends on you. Then wait for this up move here. If you did not sell from this level, do not sell here. Just wait for this down move, then look for a buy opportunity here. Then if your strategy gives you a good entry here, you can go with the buy move for USDCHF. AUDJPY. AUDJPY, we're expecting a movement of about 700 pips from this level until this level. This next week, we're looking forward to pushing up to this level. Then look for an entry to sell all the way down to this level here. We're not looking forward to buying this movement. We ignore this movement, then wait for this sell all the way until this level. That's for AUDJPY. Our bias is down. We'll only be looking forward to taking only sell opportunities. AUDUSD, just like AUDJPY, our bias is down. We'll be looking forward to taking only sell opportunities. From here, we could correct until this level, then down. But if we move from here until this level, we'll wait, then look for a sell. But if we move down here, we'll be looking for a sell as well. When it's ready, we will sell it. If your strategy gives you an entry to sell, you can go for the down move as well. That's for AUDUSD. NZDUSD. NZDUSD, our bias is down. Bias is down. NZDUSD, there's a chance that we might move all the way until this level, then move down from this level, or we can move down from this level. But overall, our bias is down. We are not looking forward to taking any buy opportunities because there's a higher chance of moving down than moving up. And if we move up, the up move is going to be small. But if we move down, the down move is going to be big. So we just ignore any up move and wait for the sell opportunity. Any sell opportunity on NZDUSD, we take it. USDCAD was forecasted last week to give an impulse down until this level. Impulse down until this level. And we say that we are not looking forward to trading this down move. But if it gives us down, we'll be looking forward only for buy opportunities from this level. So this week we got this impulse up. Actually, we got this impulse down here, small impulse, then we got up strong, then we're just correcting. There's a chance we could continue down until this level. Then if we come to our level here, we'll be looking forward for a buy. From here, only from here, we'll be looking forward for a buy. If USDCAD decides to move up from here, we will stay out of it. We only want it from this level. This is when we can buy all the way until this level. If it doesn't come to this level, we just ignore it. This is USDJPY. USDJPY was forecasted from this level. We said that we're expecting a down move, strong down move. Then we got a strong halfway, as you can see here. Then whatever is happening here is just a corrective structure. There's just a struggle here. We're expecting one more up here from this level, then down. If you do not enter anywhere around this level or this level, just wait for this movement here. Whenever we get this down, this up movement, wait for this up movement here. If we get this up movement, you'll be selling from this level until this level. If the up movement comes and you get an entry opportunity, your strategy gives you a good entry, sell until this level. Do not just jump into the sell opportunity. Wait for an opportunity. If you have a solid strategy to trade it, you can trade it to the downside. But if you don't have a strategy to trade it, just set it aside. Trade what your strategy can trade. EURNZD. EURNZD, we forecasted an impulse move. We said from this level, we're looking for an impulse up. Then from this level, after we get an impulse up, we'll be looking forward to taking the sell. Our interest was not in the buy move, but the sell opportunity. So we just moved impulse halfway. We did not get to our level, so we just ignored this. All we wanted was to get an impulse to this level, then sell all the way down here. So we ignored it. So this next week here, if we get an impulse here until this level, we'll be selling to the downside. Only if we get this movement until this level. This is where we'll be selling from here until this level. That's for EURNZD. GBPNZD from here, we focused at a down move. We said we're expecting this down move, and the structure still stands. We're still expecting a down move. It's delaying, yes, there's a bit of struggle here, but this down move is expected for GBPNZD. We're expecting this down move from here all the way down. That's what we see. If you get an entry or you're already holding this, we're expecting this down move here. If your strategy gives you an entry here or here, go for it until this level. CADJPY, this past week we got an impulse move down, then a correction. We're expecting this corrective structure to continue until this level, then down. If you get an entry around this level here, go for the down move. If your strategy gives you an entry, go for the down move. We will be selling this from here until this level. Our bias is a down move. If we get this up move here, we will ignore it, then wait for a sell opportunity, because our bias is down. We will not be taking any buy. AUDNZD, our structure was telling us that we're expecting a down move here, and then it continued up. As it continued up, we're still expecting a down move because the structure still stands. We might get a down move here and we'll be going for the down move. But if the setup continues up, just ignore it, and then whenever you get an entry, you can sell to the downside. But as for now, it's wise to just observe it, and then whenever you get an entry, that's when you can go down with a down move. As for us, we've just been monitoring it, and it has been moving up, and we've been ignoring it. So around this level here, we might push down because this down move here is expected. We are looking for this down move to take place. EuroJPY, we talked about this big move here on EuroJPY until this level. We talked about that move, and the move is not yet ready, but we're expecting it soon. The movement is gonna be big. We're expecting it. That's over 1,400 pips. We're expecting it for EuroJPY.